Why does no one ever talk about the fourth trimester of pregnancy? Many people think that the pregnancy ends at third trimester once the baby is born. But that is not true because there is actually a fourth trimester and it is called the postpartum. And unbeknownst to so many, the postpartum trimester is actually the most deadliest and the most dangerous part of a woman's pregnancy. Otherwise, why does no one ever talk about this trimester of pregnancy? I mean, not the society, not even the woman who is going through this part of pregnancy. No one. But let me tell you, it is this part of pregnancy that a woman fights even the greatest and painful battles of her life, sometimes without support. Because there is truly so much associated with this trimester of pregnancy called postpartum. Where do I even start from? We talk about the postpartum anxiety, the postpartum depression, or the changes that a woman undergoes during this process called the postpartum. And yet, nobody is talking about this. So many changes, both physically, emotionally, and otherwise. There's so much. We talk about the adding of weight or losing of weight in some women, loss of hair, and some women even suffer from bell palsy during postpartum. No wonder this trimester of pregnancy is called the silent killer because it truly kills a woman silently. Honestly, as soon as the baby is born, everybody just focuses all their time, energy, and attention on the newborn baby, whilst the mother, on the other hand, is expected to bounce back on herself by her own immediately, put up that smile, show up every day, and do as if everything is okay. Meanwhile, behind those fake smiles that she wears every day to cover her pain and everything she's going through, there is this woman inside that truly needs the support of her family, her friends, and she might never open up to tell you the thing that she's passing through, for the fear of being judged by the society, being called a bad mother, being called a bad wife, being called weak, being made fun of. So I tell you, please, she is truly going through a lot. And she too deserves a little loving, just like her newborn baby. So as you're showing your love on the newborn baby, I urge you to shower some of those love on the mother, give her your support, and the mothers yourself. Please do well to accept any help whenever it is possible. Okay, do not try to do it all on your own, okay? Do not mind what the society is going to say. Just open up and accept this help whenever it comes, okay? And remember, stars, postpartum depression, postpartum anxiety, postpartum related problems, all these are so real and we should all take it seriously. Whenever you see a woman showing these signs, please do well to offer your counsel or refer her to make sure that she sees somebody, a professional, to deal with it, okay? Hey stars, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I have missed you all so much. It's your favorite girl Somto. How are you all doing? I just hope everybody's having a fabulous time. If you're new to the channel, hey love, how are you doing? It's so lovely that you stopped by today. I promise you, on this channel, this star is not a dull star, okay? I promise you fun, I promise you will learn, I promise to educate, I promise you a lot of fun, gorgeous things that you are going to definitely love, okay? So do well to subscribe and join our amazing family. I love you guys so very much, and I hope you got that message from earlier. Yeah, alright, stars, just enjoy the video. I will see you all, or we will see you all in our next one. Bye, stars.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.